coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Bharat from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Now we are going to discuss about functions and annotations in Python programming. Introduction to functions and annotations. Function annotations is in Python allow you to add metadata to function parameters and return values. Annotations are optional and do not affect the functional behavior. They can be used to improve code readability and documentation. Syntax of function annotations. Functions annotations are defined using a colon after the parameter name, followed by the annotations type. Annotations can be any valid Python expressions such as built-in type, custom classes, or strings. Multiple annotations can be added to a single parameter or return value by separating them with the commas. Example of functions annotations. The annotations in this example specify that the parameter x and y are of type int and the return value is also an int. These annotations can help developers understand the expected input and output types of the functions. Accessing functions annotations. The annotations of functions can be accessed using the annotations attribute. This attribute returns a dictionary mapping parameter names to their respective annotations. Annotations can be used at runtime for validation or to provide additional context about the function. Type hinting with the function annotations. Function annotations are commonly used for type hinting in Python code. Type hints help developers catch type errors early and improve code clarity. Type hinting is not enforced by the Python interpreter but can be checked using tools like MPU. Annotations can be combined with default values and function annotations. Annotations can be combined with default parameters values in function definitions. When using default values, annotations should be come after the default value and avoid. Default values can be annotated with their respective types and provide additional information. Annotations for complex types. Function annotations can be used for specifying more complex types such as union types or genetic types. Union types can be represented using the union class from the typing module. Generic types can be defined using typevar and generic from the typing module. Annotating generator function. Generator function can be also used annotate using functions annotations. Annotations can be added to the yield statement to specify the type of values yielded by the generator. Annotations for callable objects. Functional annotations can be used to specify the types of callable objects such as functions or lambdas. Annotations for callable objects can be define the types of parameters and return values. Callable annotations can be useful when working with higher order functions or collabs. Benefits of using function annotations. Function annotations can improve code readability by providing additional context about function parameters and return values. Annotations can serve a documentation for developers, especially when combined with type hinting. Using annotations consistently can help maintain code quality and make it easier to understand and maintain. Challenges of function annotations. Overusing annotations can lead to cluttered code and reduced readability. Annotations are not enforced by the Python interpreter, so they rely on developers to use them correctly. It can be challenging to use the appropriate level of detail for annotations, balancing between clarity and complexity. Best practice for using function annotations. Using annotations to provide meaningful information without overhauling them the code. Combine annotations with type hinting to improve code quality and catch type error early. Document to purpose the format of annotations in your code to ensure consistency and understanding. Common mistakes to avoid the function annotations. Mixing annotations with the default values in the wrong order can lead to confusion. Not updating annotations when refactoring code can result in documentation. Using over complex annotations that make that code hard to follow should be avoided. Real world applications of function annotations. Function annotations are commonly used in libraries and frameworks to provide information to users. Annotations can be used in API documentation to specify expected input and output types. Some Python objects average annotations for static analysis or code generator tools. Summary of function annotations. Function annotations in Python allow developers to add metadata to function parameters and return values. Annotations can improve code readability, survey documentation, and enhance type hitting. By using